Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade with a demo account on TradingView. And for this, we click here on trade, and then you will find a broker that we can use, but we will search right here for paper trading, and then we click here on paper trade. Then we do connect right here, and now we have this simulation right there. So now we click here on this account, and he is trading with my Tommy Flux account. We can also click here on create account, and then we call this demo 1. Then right here we fill in the balance, the currency, the stocks leverage, the futures leverage, the forex leverage, the crypto leverage, and other leverages. And then right now, this is fine for me. You can also click here on futures and options and then select here what you want to do, or other commissions or commission type. I don't want to do that, so we click now on create. And we just created our own account right now. So this is our demo account, and now we can start trading with this demo account on the chart. So this is how you can trade with a demo account on TradingView. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.